I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights.
Guys, this is the current state of my beauty room. It's just all been chucked on this back wall really, and I want to sort it out. So I have like 1,000,001 brushes to clean. Some of these brushes I am going to donate to my sister, and because I bought some new fresh brushes, but I'm going to clean them all up for her. I'm going to use this hand wash, which is just a hygiene hand wash. It's got like, kills 99% of bacteria and all that jazz. I got this given as free in Boots when I did a Boots shop the other day. I have this Lazy Susan and she's looking really bare at the minute, so I want to like put some stuff on there. I've got my desk here with my PC on that I edit all my videos on. So I sit here working away, editing my videos for you guys. I have my lights up that I got from Amazon. So these are Amazon lights. I will link them down below. I have my newer ring light, which I absolutely love. Tony bought me this a couple of Christmases ago and I absolutely love that. I will link that down below because that's a really good ring light if you're looking for a ring light, guys. The rug is from IKEA. And I've got my Alex drawers from IKEA, my desk from IKEA. I keep toying with, do I change my desk out? Do I get another IKEA, like the Alex drawers and have it at the side? I don't know, because we're renting this house. So I don't know if I'm allowed to like put anything on the wall or anything like that. I do have my freezer in here. This is an extra fridge freezer. That's because our kitchen is just not big enough for it to fit on there, so we have got it in here. And yes, I am keeping some of my skincare products in there. So my drawers are looking really shabby and messy, so I want to clean all these up with you guys. And like I say, I'm going to have a little bit of a declutter as well. So anything that I've not been using or, you know, I've had its use out of, I will probably donate to my sister and my nieces. I've got some things under the desk that I want to sort out. That t-shirt, by the way, is just my filming t-shirt, so I like rub my brushes on there and stuff like that and clean them. This chest of drawers, it's not obviously going with all my aesthetic because everything's white. I want to eventually get a white desk as well, so I don't know if this is going to end up on, sorry, that's my kitchen and it's a mess. I don't know if I want to put this on my Facebook Marketplace or not yet. That I've had since I was about 15 when my mum gave me that for Christmas one year. And yeah, the dreaded COVID test. So the dreaded COVID test, my sister, bless her, she tested positive for COVID. And obviously I go down and see my sister every single day. So the last 4 tests that I've done, the last 4 days, I've been negative. So I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that I haven't got it. She's been quite, not, well, she has been poorly with it. But hopefully, fingers crossed, not that poorly with it to the point where she needs to go to hospital, if you know what I mean. But yeah, today's task is I want to move all of my things about, change the room about a bit, because it just looks like it's all been chucked on the back wall and it's not pleasing me. I don't like it like that. So I'm gonna drag everything out, hoover. The last job I'm gonna do is mop in here, but I'm gonna clean all the brushes like I've said. I want to clean all the vanity down. I want to clean my Alex drawers, all the makeup in there.
'Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride.
Is this, which is a Flash from Mrs. Hinch. I absolutely love this, and this is in Berry Frost.
'Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I want to visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? 'Cause I've been.
So I've got some new brushes from Jesserts, and I've got them in like a white. So I want all my brushes to be all nice and in sync with each other. So yeah, I'm going to clean up some of my brushes as well, but I'll probably do that in a fast forward because you guys are just going to get bored at this point.
I don't need a guide, follow the lights, take me where I want.
So I'm now going to go through all the Alex drawers with you guys. A random eyelash. Please. Give these to my nieces and my sister. I've got one of these. Now, I've seen loads of people use them, but I've never actually used it. I got it in a glossy box. I never know what to do with it, so it's just sitting in my drawer. So I've stocked up on my eyelashes. I got gifted some eyelashes from this company a few years ago and I fell in love with them. So these are the So Susan Jackson Premium Premium Lashes, and I've got them in the style Brooke and in the style Sophie. These are pretty good for £1. So I've got 2 lots of Just Right range of lashes. I got the Girls Just Want to Have Fun and the Bella Boo ones. And then I saw these in TK Maxx as well. They were in the red label. So I picked these up, and these are foaming weightless volume and curl lashes. Full on glam lashes. And these are in the style 016 from Vivienne. And that's drawer number 1 done. These are all my lipstick drawers. I have all these little bullet lipsticks. I'm going to give these all to my niece and my sisters. So my lip drawer looks a little bit bare. So I am looking at new lip products. So if you've got any of your favourite lip products, guys, name a few down below. Still got this one from Poundland. It's all right. It was okay for £3 from Poundland, but I don't tend to use it, and it's just literally sat in my drawer. So this one's going to go in the bin as well. These 3 little concealers I never really reach for, so they've been in my collection for a while and I think they need to go in the bin. Absolutely love this primer from Primark. It's only £3. So I got this Fenty Beauty stick in the Glossy Box advent calendar a few years ago, and I can't get on with it, guys. I don't really like it, and yeah, I'm not vibing with that, so I'm going to give that to my sister, see if she likes it. One of my favourite blushes from Beauty Bay. This is in Blossom and I love it. I've almost used up all of this highlighter, and then this highlight I wear every single day, and again I've hit pan on. So that's looking really gorgeous in there now, nice and clean. So I have a load of mascaras. So this one from number 7, I've had it a long while, it's going in the bin. I'm not going to pass on obviously mascaras and stuff because it's not hygienic. I've got a body collection one that can go in the bin. This one is really good. It's a nourishing mascara, and it's from the brand Baking Beauty. So I'm going to keep that. Poundland mascara in the bin. I'm going to keep the Essence one. I'm going to keep the Maybelline Sky High. I'm going to keep my Bad Girl Bang from Benefit. And then I have my I Heart Revolution Coconut loose baking powder. I love this, so good. Oh, and for brow products, this is a new product for me. I used it the other day, and it's supposed to be the dupe for the Anastasia Brow Freeze, and this is from Brow Story. Close that drawer. It's so satisfying when it's all nice and clean and tidy. This is my eyeshadow palettes. So I've literally just picked this one up. I got this from TK Maxx, and this was $6.99. The retail price of it is £12. It's a Morphe palette. It's one of their little Morphe palettes. It's a C9 9C Colour Me Cool palette, and I was absolutely Oh, it's so gorgeous. If you'd like me to do a look using this palette, then comment down below, because I'm going to anyway. But if you guys want to see a certain look, then let me know.
'Cause I've been living life right like
I've still got my Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. I will always keep this palette because this is the first eyeshadow palette that Tony bought me when I first started my channel. This is like nostalgic to me, so I'll always keep this palette. So that's all them done, guys. I've got a big bag here of rubbish. I've got a pile down here for my sister, so she's gonna love that. So guys, the room is completely done now. I've just got to wash some brushes, but I'm not going to do that on camera. But the beauty room is exactly the way I want it now. I think it looks more cozy, so I'm just going to give you a quick pan of how I've done it. So when you walk in, you've got my desk with all my little bits and bobs on there. It just looks so nice and cozy in that little corner. And then we come round and oh my God, my beauty table is just exactly the way that I want it. That little basket down there, that's got a load of empties in. So once that's full, that will be an empties video coming. I have got Betty and Mo in here. I took them out of the kitchen and I thought, you know what, my new brushes would look gorgeous in there. So I've got my Lazy Susan and I still need to fill her up a little bit. She's looking a little bit sparse at the back, but I've got some foundations. I did pick up the Huda Beauty Faux Filter foundation. I've got my Naked palette there and my Huda Beauty palette there because they're my favourite. My sister bought me the Honey Naked palette. Gorgeous, I love it. I've got some of my favourite other foundations. I've got some lipsticks that I love using. My go-to primers, and at the back I've got my setting sprays. I've then got Betty, who's got all my face brushes in there. Nice, clean, brand new face brushes. Absolutely gorgeous. I picked this up from Poundland. I think it was in my Poundland haul or a shopping haul that I'd done recently, and I picked that up for £3. Actually, it was in Primark. I picked that up for £3. I've then got Percy over here. Sorry, that's Betty. This is Mo. So I've got Mo over here, and all in here are all my like eye brushes and stuff. I haven't put anything in the drawers of yet, but I'm so happy on how my Alex drawers are looking now. So in the top one, we have all my lashes and my glitters and a few little bits at the back, some hand sanitizer. In this one, I've got all my lip products, which is looking a little bit bare now, so to speak. So I think I'm going to just fill it out a little bit so it looks a little bit better that way. But I want some new lip products. We then go into this drawer, which is my foundations, my concealers, my primers, blushes and highlighters. The next drawer down are my bronzers, powders, mascaras, brow products, brow tools, contour things, and eyeliners, liquid eyeliners. And then the last drawer are all of my eyeshadow palettes, and these, if you haven't picked these up from Beauty Bay, like, these are gorgeous. These are Living My Best Light, and they're glitters, and this one is in Moonstone, and I'm obsessed with it. I love it so much. And then I've just got like a spare sponge in there, but that's all my palettes and everything. I've then not done a lot with this like chest of drawers really. I've chucked some stuff in there that I just don't want on show. But I've got this vase that I think I bought from TK Maxx, or Tony's mum bought us from TK Maxx years ago. It used to be in the front hallway, but I thought it'll be nice there for a while. So then I've just got on this little like tray. I can't remember where I got this tray from. It probably like TK Maxx or something. And I've just got this little festive spice diffuser because I want to use it all up, to be honest. If you are liking it and you've stayed this far, I love you so much. Please subscribe, it would mean the world to me. And hit the notification bell and the thumbs up.
wanna visit, are